First, replace the bladder of accumulator. First, the type and function of accumulator. There are two kinds of accumulators on truck pump, big one and small one. In the hydraulic system, the accumulator, as an auxiliary power resource, is installed between constant pressure pump and distribution. The charging pressure is 8 to 10 MPa. First, the big accumulator is used as the power supply in distribution system to ensure the swing cylinder reversing quickly. Second, in the open system, the small accumulator is assembled between cooler and main hydraulic valve block. It can absorb pulse and impact force in order to protect the cooler from being damaged. The small accumulator is connected with feed pump to keep system pressure stable in closed system. Second, accumulator fault diagnosis. Check S-tube working situation. If it swings slowly and weakly during pumping automatically, check whether the distributing pressure dropped within 4 to 6 MPa. Otherwise, we need to do further inspection. Check whether there's hydraulic oil ejecting from the charging port. Test as below. Firstly, stop the engine and release system pressure. Push the charging port with screwdriver. If there's oil injection but no crisp voice of pressure air, it means that the rubber bladder is damaged. Stop the engine and fully release the system pressure. First, remove accumulator. Put it on the work platform. Unscrew protection nut. Second, remove charging head. Slowly release the compressed nitrogen of the bladder with charging tools. Third, loosen and take down charger valve. Fourth, remove the two small nuts respectively. Fifth, remove the nameplate. Sixth, remove the relief bolt at the other end. Seventh, remove the two large round nuts. Eighth, remove the gasket. Ninth, push valve block into chamber gently. 10th, put your hand into the accumulator chamber and take out one gasket, one O-ring, one semicircular snap ring, rubber spring, and valve block in sequence. 11th, take out the bladder from chamber. 12th, attention! There's an O-ring on the bladder that needs to be replaced in time. 4th, bladder of accumulator assembly. Clean the parts and internal chamber before assembling bladder. If there's a damage on connection joint, the screws and sealing itself, it should be replaced. In order not to damage the rubber bladder, add little hydraulic oil in the chamber firstly. First, install the sealing kit of rubber bladder. Second, push the new rubber bladder into chamber. Third, install nameplate and two small nuts. Fourth, install the charger valve. Fifth, install the charging nut. Sixth, install the protection nut. Seventh, install the valve block, semicircular snap ring, rubber bowl, gasket, O-ring into chamber in sequence. 8th, install the gasket outside. 9th, install the two large round nuts respectively. 10th, install the relief nut. 5th, nitrogen charging process. Process as follows. Unscrew protection nut of the charging valve. Connect the charging valve with charging tools. Slowly open the valve of nitrogen container, then open the charging tools. Keep charging until the pressure reaches the specified value, 10 MPa. Please pay attention, shut off the valve, and keep connection for about 20 minutes to see if pressure falls down. Remove the charging tools if the pressure is steady. The capacity and pressure of accumulator shown as follows.